Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Today we are going to make chocolate appams, also called mini choco balls. So here are the ingredients for the same. 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of water. Also, we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of oil that we'll add on the same time. Now we begin with the recipe. First, we'll add all the dry ingredients. First, we have the maida or all-purpose flour. Then we'll add the powdered sugar, cocoa powder. Then we'll add half teaspoon of baking powder. And lastly, we'll add baking soda. Now we'll sift all the dry ingredients in a bowl. This ensures that your batter has no lumps. Slowly sift all the dry ingredients. After sifting the dry ingredients, give it a good mix so that all of them are mixed together properly. Now we'll start adding wet ingredients. Here we have 2 tablespoons of oil and 3/4 cup of water, which we'll add gradually to avoid any lumps in the batter. Gradually keep adding water and mixing it properly until you reach the smooth consistency. So this is the consistency we desire. This is the appam pan that we are going to use. First we'll grease all the cavity in the pan for avoiding the appam to stick to the pan. Now we have greased each cavity. Now we'll start pouring the batter in it. Now we'll pour 1 tablespoon of batter in each cavity. After we finish pouring batter in each cavity, we'll tap the pan a bit to remove all the air bubbles. Cover the pan and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can see a nice rise. Now we'll flip them. Now that our appams are flipped, we'll leave them to cook for 1 more minute. 1 minute is over. Our appams are ready to be served. We'll take them out. You can see how well they are cooked. Your delicious choco balls are ready. You can garnish them with chocolate sauce or anything of your choice. As you can see how soft and spongy they are.